What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. In the Challenger, the 2017 Shaker RT, getting ready to do a POV drive. I got to pick my daughter up today. Figured I'd take you guys with me on the first POV drive, see how I get down. It's dumb cold. I'm talking stupid cold out right now in Cleveland. It's like 28 degrees. Wind chill is crazy. I got the traction control on, but y'all know me, I might take it off. I might go ahead and get down. Maybe do some burnouts or something, I don't know. It's so crazy, the car is white, and it's I never had a white car before, and you see every bit of dust. I mean, every bit of dust, every bit of rubber. Is crazy. So I think I'm gonna hit the car wash first, get this thing cleaned up because the sun is out, and we're gonna go pick my daughter up, man. So let's go. All right, let's get it, man. Let's get it. Usually when I do these POV videos, it's a little warmer out, and there's a more more opportunity, man, to see some cars out, maybe get a little run in. But now being 28 degrees, why are they not going? Now they're gonna go? Wow. Anyway, with it being so cold out, I don't expect to see anybody, but you never know. What y'all think about the interior, man, on this, man? Is this a cop or a drop? What y'all think, man? Hey, who else comes to neutral when y'all about to go to a stop? Do you guys downshift every gear, or just go right to neutral and just coast? I go right to neutral and coast, but I see people like downshifting. I ain't got time to be downshifting, man. I'm going right to neutral. I'm coasting to my stop. Now this does have the Tremec 6060 transmission in there. This transmission feels a lot better than my 3-valve I had. If you guys remember that thing was fucking junk. That 3-valve was just crazy. Like, I don't know how this one's going to react under load, like under like high horsepower. But like on my 3-valve, man, I was making like 300 foot-pounds of torque, 315 torque or something like that, if that. And I would get locked out every time. Like second to third gear, I would get locked out because of the transmission design, because there was so much torque on the chassis that the transmission would actually twist, and you wouldn't be able to go into gear. It was the craziest thing. I mean, it made sense. It was just a terrible design. This thing here, now mind you, I'm not stock. I mean, it's stock, so it should work perfectly. But I think stock form right now, I've got more torque than I had in my 3-valve, and I don't get locked out at all. It's crazy. It's a great feeling. This is a 6-speed, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then reverse. It rides smooth too. I got 95,000 miles on it, but the thing rides so good. Like, my hands are off. It drives straight as I go to the left. It kind of drives straight, but I think I'm on a hill a little bit, so it's pulling to the left. But it ain't a new car. It's gonna have some type of pull, right? So the car came tinted already, which is nice. You know, if it didn't have tint on there, I was gonna take it to Modesty and have her tinted up. But as I look around, it doesn't need anything. The front windshield is tinted. I don't know what the percentage is, but it's dark as fuck. This is probably like a 20, maybe because I usually get 35, and I think it's a little bit darker than 35, because I know what 35 looks like. So I'm guessing, you know what, it might be 35. This front glass might be 35. The sides might be 20. I'd have to get a tester and test it out and really see what's going on. But as you can see, on a nice clear day, it's not that hard to see out, but it's definitely tinted. And then when it's dark outside, it's a little sketchy going around corners, because my lights don't extend out, they just like straight forward. So I think in the future, maybe soon, I'm gonna get some brighter lights that extend outward and not just, you know, forward and back or forwards. I think that'd be my first mod. LED headlights, some wide angle LED headlights. I think that's gonna be my first modification. Is that a modification? Are lights modifications? I don't know. Can you guys see over that shaker hood? Can y'all see that? I got a shaker. Oh my goodness. I got a shaker RT. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. But I want that shaker hood to pop, man. I want that to pop. I got a little fading on the middle strip, the middle decal, little fading up top. I'm gonna see if I can polish that out with some I wonder if I can get some vinyl spray or even the trim restoration, the trim restore, and wipe it on there and see if I can get some of that off. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's oxidation, I don't know if it's wear. And I don't want to replace it because it's gonna look stupid. It's gonna have one brand new piece. So if I replace it, I have to replace all of them. I don't know if I want to do that. All I know is I got a shaker. Ain't nobody else got that around here. I don't care. I ain't seen it. Who else got a shaker? You know what? There is one. There's one. There's a 392 out in Akron. I don't know the guy's name. You guys probably know watching it. It's a white guy. He's got a 392 manual shaker. It's a black one, Challenger. But I don't know his name though. Tag him in this video. Put him in his. Put the ad in his. I don't know if I'm his friend. I don't know. You know what's crazy? As I drive this car here, I've got super track pack, so I can adjust like. I still don't understand the workings of everything. There's so much stuff in here. I'm gonna have to tell you guys on another video. I've got so much fucking equipment on here. It's crazy, but I've got super track pack, which I can adjust like my steering, my engine, my traction control, and I also got a sport mode button. I don't know what it does, but this thing takes off like a fucking bat out of hell in sport mode from a dig. It's actually pretty wild. I want to do a 0 to 60 test with no sport mode, and then a 0 to 60 test with the sport mode, and see if there's a difference, or a 60 to 130. You know what? I'm gonna do that. That's gonna be. Who wants to see that video? Does sport mode really enhance the performance of a vehicle? I want to know. What does that button do? It feels better, but does it perform better? There's a difference. I'm curious. I'm gonna make a video. I'm curious about that. It's gonna be a 0 to 60, and it's gonna be a 60 to 130. Sport mode on, sport mode off. I don't know. I don't know. Has anyone else done that test? Let me know. I don't know. I know what it's supposed to do. Like I can feel the difference. But is there a performance gain? Is there a benefit, a performance benefit for racing in sport mode on all cars? I'm curious actually. You know, in here somewhere, it actually, if the previous owner has it, they would have best times. Let me see. I don't know. I don't see it on here. Top speed 125. That was definitely not me. Can we beat that 125? I'm not gonna do it in this video. That's gonna be a video though. Can I beat the previous owner's mile per hour? What y'all think? Look at this shit. It's crazy. It was just 50 degrees out here. Cleveland is so crazy. Ohio in general is so crazy, man. If you live by the lake, bro, it was just 50 degrees and now it's 31 with snow and salt. That's another thing. People, they're so crazy. They say, you're actually driving your car out there, the roads are salty. So what? Wash your fucking car. As soon as I'm done driving, before I park it, I go to the car wash. I get the underbody spray. I get the polish. And I go park it. And it's like I didn't even drive it. You driving that thing in the winter? You're crazy. Bro, I'ma drive my shit. I'm sorry. How you think my Mustang got to 115,000 miles? Not by sitting in the garage, I'll tell you that. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm trying to race something. Who out here, man? Is this an ST? Is this an ST Explorer? Hold on, is this an ST? It is. What they wanna do? What y'all think? Hold on, hold on, man. Hold on, ST, how much horsepower is that? Am I overmatched? I don't know, hold on, I'm in fourth. Let me see, hold on. First off, let me see who it is. If it's, oh no, it's an old lady. She ain't gonna race. Oh my goodness. There's nothing worse, and you pull up, and it's some little old lady with two hands on the wheel like this. Why the fuck you got that? What are you gonna do with 400 horsepower, lady? Let me get off before I get pissed. How much horsepower the ST got? What is that? It's gotta be over 400. That would have been a good match. ST versus the RT manual shaker? What y'all think? Stock for stock? The weight's got to be very similar. No, they probably weigh more. Someone look that up. What's the 0 to 60 on the ST Ford ST Explorer? What's the 60 to 130 times? Man, I'm about to look that up when I go home. That would have been interesting. You know what I like about this car is once I do what I want to do with it, I'm going to, which would be it's going to be Pro Charge. It's going to be a Pro Charger on here, maybe a cam. Pro Charger cam setup, definitely over 500 wheel. But this allows me to race a lot of people. 500 wheel is a lot of power. That's still a good amount of power, and you get to race a wide range of vehicles. Now with the weight being the way it is, you're kind of limited a little bit, but it is a manual, and you're gonna get that torque. This thing is really torquey, so it'll be interesting to see. It'll be real interesting to see. But 550 wheel puts me in a lot of races that I wouldn't have in my Mustang. So we're talking CTS, you know, stock or lightly tuned CTSVs. We're talking, depending on the year, we're talking cam cars, so cam Camaros, maybe a stock Corvette, or maybe a tuned Corvette, like a C7, C6-ish, LS3, LS2, or LS2. I don't know. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. This allows me to race a wider range of cars and have more content, more races than just in my Mustang. And that's what I really wanted. I wanted to get back into a manual. I don't know what's going on here, man. Almost to my daughter's house. I have not seen one car that was worth racing, but that's okay. You got this truck. Look at this truck. This big ass truck on these tiny ass wheels. We can pass this Grand Wagoneer right quick. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. When this thing gets Pro Charged, it's gonna be hella fun to drive. I can't wait. Y'all gonna know it's me. What other white shakers running around Pro Charge? Nobody. Now I got this car behind me, all on my ass. Probably trying to get my license plate.
There's a white Challenger racing up and down 480. Bring all units quick.
Fuck out of here. Let me get out of here, man. I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't like what I'm seeing, man. I don't like what I'm seeing. Yeah, man, I made it. Oh, sheriff. Sheriff, you missed me, baby. You missed it. I kind of want to go do some donuts, but I don't want to get any tickets. Like, if I'm gonna get a ticket, it's gonna be because I'm racing and I couldn't get away. That's what I'm gonna use if I'm gonna get a ticket, it's gonna be something like that. Not for not for no BS. You know what I'm saying? I gotta save my tickets for the summertime, so I can't do anything crazy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my goodness, that felt good. Oh man, it's gonna be a good summer, y'all. It's gonna be a good summer. Listen, I'm gonna end the video, man. I don't want you guys to know where my fucking daughter lives. Somewhere over here. You know what? Let me throw y'all off the scent, man. Let me throw y'all off the fucking scent. Woo! It's gonna be a crazy summer, man. I'm telling you, when this thing's pro charged, oh my goodness, man. Listen, I'm gonna end the video, man. Make sure you guys comment, man. Comment, what do you guys think about this Challenger, man? It's RT stick shift manual. You guys see the interior. I'm gonna go through in depth on pretty much everything. Every little thing I do to this car is gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be videoed. Turn the notifications on, man. It's gonna be a hot summer, I'm telling you. I'm doing my Mustang, we're doing a Challenger. It's going crazy. I'm not missing any video, any content. 2024 is gonna be the year, man. I'm bringing you guys everything I can. Hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Peace out.